In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious overnight strawberry oatmeal recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk, half a cup of strawberries diced, 2 strawberries sliced, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the oatmeal, yogurt, milk, maple syrup, chia seeds, and the vanilla extract, and mix until completely combined. Then we're going to add in our diced strawberries and mix well. Now we're going to transfer our oatmeal mixture into a jar and secure with a lid. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight. Once you take your oatmeal out of the fridge, you can top it with extra slices of strawberries. Our overnight strawberry oatmeal is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.